Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, remote engine start, power passenger seat, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, four-wheel drive. You don't have to sacrifice comfort to get all-terrain capability. Drive the Grand Cherokee.